Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl on Guitar, a collab here with Girl in Red with Sabrina Carpenter with a song called You Need Me Now. Alright, so this is pretty much one main part that goes throughout the entire song with some added tweak to it later on, but we're going to look at that first capo on third. That's what we need, and we have three main chords. So we have the E minor, the F sharp, and the B version, B minor / D. So the first chord is D. All right, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is the F sharp minor. That's a bar chord. You replace the bar on the second fret. You bar all strings there. All right, and then you need to add fourth on A, fourth on D. And then we have this D, B / chord here. So it goes like this. It's second on A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. And then we have D sharp note we want to highlight here. Comes later in, a little bit different. And it could be the bass that is going on there in the background where you hear this very prominent at about 2 minutes and 11 seconds at least, but also I believe earlier in the song. But the grip goes like this. So it's fifth on a E string, sixth on A, and fourth on D. Okay, looks like a D minor over down here, but up at this bass area. All right, anyway, there you have all the grips needed. So the main part is E minor, F sharp, and the B. So you're gonna play strumming rounds, and it goes like this with E minor. All right, so down, up, and down. So down, up, down. That is one round. Down, up, pause, and then down. So, and a couple rounds of it. All right, and you see I work a little bit with my pinky in front of this, and that is to mute this so it doesn't ring out too much. That's what I like, and it suits the song better than just play like that. It's a little bit too much sound in my opinion, so I use my little pinky there to kill the sound in between the strumming rounds. So you're gonna play E minor 1, then F sharp minor 1, and the B, D chord, 2 strumming rounds. Okay, so that is the main part. And like I mentioned, we want to throw in this D sharp note grip into the thing here. And about 2 minutes and 11 seconds, it's very prominent. You can hear what I mean there, I believe. So when you do that, you're gonna go E minor in the same way, F minor, F sharp minor in the same way. Then when you use this D sharp note there, you're gonna play the DB chord 1 full string round. And then you're gonna play down, up. So down, up, and then 2 downs on this D sharp grip over here. So the chord progression, when you use that at about 2 and 11, or perhaps earlier also in the background, perhaps there's this kind of playing as well. It's hard to hear, but anyway, then you're gonna play E minor 1, F sharp minor 1, DB1 plus down, up, and then you go over to this and play down, down. So it goes like this. And then E minor. And that is how it goes, guys. So Girl in Red, Sabrina Carpenter's You Need Me Now. Question, I hope you do, because I want to teach you everything I can and your songs. And feel free to wish for songs here. We have something called Wish Wednesday when I bring up your songs that you wish during your week, or even way back. I have a list and I bring up what I think is needed or what I like or anything what I think is good for us. So feel free to wish for a song and perhaps it's your. So yeah, a lot of possibilities to go alongside with Goran guitar here and get your song. So hope you enjoy this and play tuned.